My vision for this, why did I made a YMCA academy, is when I learned there was no academy which was promoting girls team in Vasai Virar region. That's where I started looking at this academy to be a part for the girls and women's empowerment. My vision is to build a community where the passion meets the sports. Unfortunately, today children are not playing much. They are more into their mobiles, internet, and etc. So I have a vision where I want these kids to come on the ground, play any sport. Football is my passion, and I seek the players who love football. Let them come, learn with me. I'll give them the opportunities and make their career as a path. Football journey is not easy. I have seen there are clubs who are doing great, but is it really helping the needy? No. There's a financial conditions problems at parents who cannot afford, especially girl parents. They will not spend much on girls for sports. However, I understand boys are fortunate enough, but girls do not get that provision. So that where I jumped in, I realized there's financial conditions which stops me to do many things. Government, I always look for sponsors. If anyone is very keen or like-minded like me who wants to really help the needy, need it be a boy, need it be a girl, to excel in sports, and there are really good players. And for some reason I feel Vasai Virar is a little mini Brazil.
सर, मेरा नाम अरुण कुमार मिश्रा है और मेरी लड़की का नाम अनन्या मिश्रा है। वो एक गोलकीपर है YMCA में।
Hi, I am Namita De Silva. I am parent of Angel and Alston De Silva. Angel has been with YMCA Football Academy past 4 years and Alston past 3 years.
माझं नाव मिसेस स्वप्ना नलावडे आणि माझ्या मुलीचं नाव पर्णिका नलावडे.
सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने तो फिटनेस के लिए किया था। जब मेरी बच्ची बहुत छोटी थी, 9 साल की, 9 साल से 8 साल की उम्र में रही होगी, तब मैंने एज ए फिटनेस के लिए उसको ज्वाइन करवाया था।
For me, I choose football because this is a very active game, active and a healthy game. For us parents, we need not only academic, not only studies, but we want mentally also and physically also our children to be strong enough.
खरं म्हणजे ते फुटबॉल जो आहे हा तिनेच स्वतः चूज केलेला आहे. ओके, आणि लकीली तिला सगळे जे कोच मिळाले ते खूप चांगले भेटले की ज्याच्यामुळे तिला ग्रो ॲक्च्युअलमध्ये झालेला आहे.
सो YMCA एकेडमी के यूज़ करने का सबसे मेन रीज़न है हुबर्ट सर। एक्चुअली हुबर्ट सर इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि हुबर्ट सर एकमात्र एक ऐसे कोच मुझे यहाँ लगे, ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारी जगहों पे देखा, लेकिन उनका जो कोचिंग का तरीका है वो चाहे अपनी बेटी को सिखाएं या बाकी प्लेयर्स को सिखाएं, दोनों एक ही जैसा रहता है। तो जितना वो अपनी बेटी के लिए सोचते हैं वो इधर के हर एक प्लेयर्स के लिए सोचते हैं, इसलिए मुझे ये बहुत अच्छे लगे थे।
दे आर व्हेरी क्वालिटेटिव्ह. त्यांच्यामध्ये जे कोचिंग स्किल आहे, त्यांच्या टेक्निक्स, त्यांच्या टॅक्टिक्स, त्यांचे जे स्ट्रॅटेजीज आहेत त्या फार डिफरंट आहेत आणि हे कोचेस फार एक्सपिरियन्स्ड आहेत.
ओके, YMCA अकॅडमी आम्ही चूज केली म्हणजे एक एक्झाम्पल सांगायचं म्हणजे लास्ट इयर माझ्या मुलीने SFL टुर्नामेंटला सुरुवात केली. ती YMCA मधून सुरुवात केली. त्यावेळी तिला एवढा काही गेम येत नव्हता चांगला खेळता, पण आता विदिन 1 इयरमध्ये, आता जेव्हा लास्ट वीकमध्ये SFL झाली होती त्याच्यामध्ये तिला स्टार ऑफ द मॅचचा अवॉर्ड मिळाला बिकॉज ऑफ दिस YMCA. कारण का युबर सरांनी, आदित्य बने सर आहे, ह्या दोघांनी तिच्यावरती भरपूर मेहनत घेतली. तिचे स्किल कसे डेव्हलप करता येईल याच्याकडे त्यांनी लक्ष दिलं. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही YMCA आणि एक मेन YMCA एक सेफ एन्व्हायरमेंट आहे. म्हणजे फुटबॉलचं आम्हाला एवढं नॉलेज ॲक्च्युली नव्हतं इनिशियली, पण तसं ती फुटबॉलमध्ये जशी जशी ती पुढे जात गेली, जशी ती डिस्ट्रिक्ट खेळायला लागली, मग ती स्टेट खेळायला लागली, स्टेट खेळता खेळता ती महादेव प्रोजेक्टमध्ये पण सिलेक्ट झाली. जशी तिची ग्रोथ होत गेली ना, ते बघून आम्हाला वाटलं की नाही, हिचं फुटबॉलला खूप तिला आवड आहे, ती एन्जॉय करते फुटबॉल खेळायला. फुटबॉलमध्ये तिची फिजिकली ग्रोथ आम्हाला भरपूर दिसलेली आहे. पुन्हा तिचा डिसिप्लिन एक आलेला आहे तिच्यामध्ये, तिचं नॉलेज इन्क्रीज झालेलं आहे. ओके, म्हणजे ओव्हरऑल फुटबॉलमुळे तिचं मेंटली फिजिकली ग्रोथ आम्हाला दिसते, म्हणून आम्ही फुटबॉल चूज केलं.
सब फुटबॉल में तो उसका ग्रोथ हुआ ही हुआ है, बात की चीज़ करने के ढंग में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, उसका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हुआ है, इवन साथ ही साथ उसकी पढ़ाई भी इम्प्रूव हुई है। जो पहले थोड़ी एवरेज चल रही थी अब थोड़ी और बेटर हो गई है, ये तो मैं डेफिनेटली कहना चाहूँगा कि सारे फील्ड में एक्चुअली उसका इम्प्रूवमेंट अच्छा हो गया है.
ग्रो इन सच अ वे त्यांची हेल्थ, त्यांची अंडरस्टँडिंग, त्यांचं सपोर्ट, त्यांची युनिटी, त्यांची बॉन्डिंग ह्या फुटबॉलच्या गेममधून आणि ह्या अकॅडमीमधून खूप ग्रो झाली.
It becomes a little tough for people like me to take these kids to Bombay in the evening, catching the trains. These are all difficulties we feel. I wish someone stands up, as maybe a good builder or someone stands up and says, guys, you can use this place, make this as a passion to your players, sports, and I'll be the first one to make sure that these kids excel in the sports. So last 3 years have been a journey for me. We have done multiple achievements. We played state league for the first time from the Vasai Virar region. No one has ever played in Palghar district at that point of time. We won the trophy. We bring the state league from, everyone was shocked, playing for the first time in under 15 category for girls, and we won that. We are 3 years champions in Palghar District Football Association from under 15 category. We are the women's champions for futsal also this year. We have now jumped into Blue Cups, seeing that the boys wants to really go up to that layer. I have also started making a boys team who are underprivileged or not able to play in any other clubs, to bring them up, make a boys team and make them play PDFA, MFA, etc. I'm very fortunate enough to have a daughter, Arya, who is really passionate about football. In fact, she's passionate of everything what she does when she's on the ground. When I started training when she was 8 years, I know what she was, and now I know for sure she is a player having a potential to play for India. She's good. She has been representing Maharashtra from last 3 years, back to back. I can see her excel. Just waiting for her education to complete, and hoping someday she will play at a very high level.
See, there's no comparison between girls and boys, but what we see here at YMCA is the girls team here is much more better than the boys team. I won't say that boys are not playing well, but the boys need to develop much more. Girls, I feel, are much more matured here. So the girls team in YMCA is, I would say yes, it's one of the best in Vasai or in Palghar.
I'm Arya Disa, and I've been playing football for several years, and my achievements are like I've been playing nationals for 3 years in a row and have been captain as well.
I'm Saina Gracious. I've been playing football since I was in 4th, and I've played for Palghar district. Myself Grace Patrick Mandhat. I've been playing football for 4 years, and I've represented Khelo India Maharashtra and also played Palghar district.
Speaking not only about the competition, it is about confidence and has helped me academically as well. Yeah, as a daughter, he keeps on targeting. I don't know if I can call this targeting. He keeps on yelling at me, and I get frustrated during the matches, and it can be seen very visible on the match.
Super chill, but during game he's a little strict. He wants us to do what's required during that time, but chilling. Hubert sir is one of the best coaches I've ever met. He is too good. As a player outside of the field, he is very nice. Even in the field, he is like a friend, but also serves as a coach, and that is very nice.
He has the craziest techniques and tactics during matches. God knows where he brings that off.
Actually, Hubert sir, na? Okay, one word. Cool, chill, ekdam. Strict also, super chill. Like our father only. Actually,
we are the first Palghar girls team who played at state leagues and all.
Yeah, and we have won the first Palghar team who have won the state league overall. And against Aspire, we scored 1-0. So I think that's the greatest achievement for Palghar district as well.
and please join the YMCA club. क्या था? हाँ, please join YMCA and please join.